How to fix Facebook navigation bar down problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Facebook navigation bar down problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, find Facebook apps and then long press on Facebook apps. Now open Facebook app info. Just click on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your device. Press and hold on power button and then restart your device. After restart your device, now go to Facebook and see Facebook navigation bar down problem solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, then uninstall your current Facebook app and install Facebook older version. Hopefully this method will fix your problem.